So, importance of controlling means it ensures order and discipline. Controlling function helps to ensure order and discipline by checking the continuous performance of the employee and taking preventive actions to minimize the gap between actual and standard performance. A manager can bring order and discipline in the organization. Next importance of controlling is it facilitates coordination. Controlling is a function in which the roles and responsibilities of all departmental managers and the subordinates are designed clearly. Means in controlling function, roles and responsibilities of all the departmental managers are designed clearly, and the subordinate are also given roles and responsibility. This is also given clearly. Coordination helps to find out the deviation in their respective department. We can find out deviations with the help of coordination. That deviation or the changes in the actual performance with the standard performance, we can find out the corrective measures or remedial measures to bring desired result of the organization. Therefore, controlling facilitate coordination means through controlling we can facilitate or a manager can facilitate coordination between different departments, between different level of management, and this coordination will help to find out the deviations. Next importance of controlling is psychological pressure. The performance of the employees are evaluated with the standard target. The employees are very well aware of that their performance will be evaluated and they will be rewarded accordingly. This psychological pressure works as a motivational factor for employees to give their best performance. Means employees can perform well with the help of controlling. Through controlling, their actual performance are measured with the standard performance. They are motivated, they are evaluated, and they will be given or they will be provided with the new techniques, with the new methods so that the employees can perform well. The employees can improve their performance with the help of controlling. After improving their performance, they will be rewarded. Therefore, this helps in psychological pressure. That pressure works as a motivational factor for an employee, and employee will give their best performance. Next importance of controlling is it ensures organizational efficiency and effectiveness. The factors of control include making manager responsible. Means control helps manager to become responsible. Manager will be motivated or for higher performance and achieving departmental coordination. It will ensure about organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Means controlling make manager responsible, which will motivate them for higher performance and help in achieving departmental coordination. Departmental coordination will ensure organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Next importance of controlling is it helps to build good corporate image. Controlling function helps to improve the overall performance of the organization. Less deviation, less changes with the predetermined standard and actual performance. results into the progress of business. Means controlling function helps in overall performance of the organization or improvement in overall performance of the organization. If there is a minimum deviation, if there is a minimum change, if there is a minimum difference in predetermined standard with the actual performance and actual performance, then this will automatically result into the progress of business. It can be achieved with the help of proper control. If there is a proper control in the organization can build its image, and that image can be built with minimum deviation. This help to build corporate image and bring goodwill for the business. Last importance of controlling is it acts as a guide. Controlling function provides a set of standard performance, means how to perform or what work has to be done. That standard performance is mentioned in controlling function. It provides a set of standard performance. Manager as well as a subordinate work according to it. Wherever necessary, they can take the help of this standard and can achieve the desired result. Means to get a desired result, controlling function provide a set of standard performance which will help the manager as well as the subordinate to work, and this function can help to achieve the desired result. Thus, controlling function act as a guide for everyone. The steps taken for controlling an activity guide the management while planning the future activity. So these are all importance of controlling. By this we end with this chapter. In next video in coming weeks I am going to take a test. For that you have to prepare first chapter, that is Principle of Management. In next I will give the message in WhatsApp group. So every one of you please be ready with the first chapter. Study first chapter well. I am going to take a test on first chapter. Thank you.